And they're like, oh, look at that. That's going to be a great shot for our blah, 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 blah. And I'm just looking at them like, excuse me, these are people here.
Oh, my God.
This is so bizarre. I don't believe it yet.
Think I covered the top?
What is that?
What?
Bear, 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 bear.
Oh. Surprised they're not over this tree, actually.
I don't see the news at all.
Look, basketballs.
Yeah, important.
Let me see.
Is it filming, Graham?
Top of the tree.
Oh, it is recording. Make sure you get all that over there. Yeah, that's what I was about to do. Okay, so what's the date? Everybody got the date? It's like the 10th or something like that.
There's 11.
Okay. 11? See, you know what the thing is? We're gonna look back on this in a couple of years and be like, what? Well, I can't hear you. You want us to die? Is that what it was?
Yell that. Yell that out loud.
Yell that when all the newscasts are
As you see, or can see, tree has been pulled straight out of the ground. A lot of crap has happened over here.
How'd that sing?
Many, many trees
Gotta watch out for the widowmakers.
have fallen. We gotta go over here. I've yet to be over here. You didn't see that? Hey, come over here. Hey, come over here! And oh geez, what happened over here? Come here. If you can see, there's a little shed right back there. All this crap. All this crap. This is really, really crazy. Really crazy. Okay, so the crash part 2. That's what we're gonna call it now. From now on, it's gonna be the crash. Crap, man. There's a whole bunch of crap. Look at this tree, okay? This is just craziness. I mean, this is probably, what, a 50-year-old tree? That thing used to be a mammoth. Now it got cut down in half. All that crap that happened right there. The house is saved. We got helicopters, if you can see them, coming towards you. And then there's